Hello class 10 students. Chapter 4 Light based on reflection and refraction. From this chapter I will teach you some sort of numerical problems today. Page number 193, question number 3. Find the power of a concave lens of focal length 2 meter. Already you know that focal length for concave lens it will be negative, focal length for convex lens it will be positive. So focal length f is equal to minus 2 meter you can write because your lens is concave lens. Now power of the lens formula P is equal to 1 by F, which will be expressed in terms of meter. That is 1 by minus 2 meter. 1 divided by 2 you will be getting 0.5, so minus 0.5, and you know that 1 by meter makes diopter because standard unit for the power of lens is diopter. So answer to question number 3 from page number 193 is minus 0.5 diopter. Now page number 196 from the exercise, question number 22. I will teach you today. Find the focal length of a lens of power minus 2.0 diopter. What type of lens is this? That's our question. Power of the lens P is equal to minus 2.0 diopter. We know that power P is equal to 1 by F. Then F is equal to, you can make it 1 by P also. Now P you can put minus 2 diopter. Divide 1 by 2 you will be getting 0.5 and that also minus. So minus 0.5, 1 by diopter makes meter. But since it is direct decimal, if you want you can change it into centimeter by multiplying 100. So you will be getting minus 50 centimeter. So in this question they are telling us to calculate focal length where power of the lens is given and what type of lens is this. So after calculation focal length we got it minus 50 centimeter. You can conclude now therefore focal length is 50 centimeter and negative sign indicates the lens is concave. Now from the same page 193 I can teach you question number 23. Based on power of the lens, a doctor has prescribed a corrective lens whose power is plus 1.5 diopter. Find the focal length of the lens and is the prescribed lens is diverging or converging. So in this question power of the lens is given plus 1.5 d, you can put plus sign also. We need to calculate focal length. So your formula power of the lens is equal to 1 by F. F will be expressed in terms of meter. Then F is equal to 1 by P. F equals to 1 by P. Power of the lens is 1.5 diopter. Remove the decimal. 10 will go up. So 10 by 15. Cancellation by 5. You will get 2 by 3. When you will divide this outside, you will be getting decimal 0.67 meter. That is your question number 23. Then you can conclude, therefore focal length is 0.67 meter. If you want you can change into centimeter also, that's up to you. Since the focal length is positive, therefore the prescribed lens is convex lens or converging lens. Because focal length is positive for convex lens only, which is known as converging lens also. After this question, now page number 196, I'll teach you question number 18. Same chapter 10 from the exercise question number 18. An object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from a convex mirror. This is about mirror only, whose focal length is 15 centimeter. They are asking to find the position as well as nature of the image. Object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter. So you know that object distance will be always negative. For mirror also, for lens also, because object is kept on the left of the mirror. Focal length is given 15 centimeter because mirror is convex mirror. It is positive. You know that convex mirror focal length will be positive, concave will be negative. V is question mark. Let us use mirror formula. By using mirror formula, 1 by V plus 1 by U equals to 1 by F. 1 by V plus 1 by U is minus 10 equal to 1 by 15. Plus minus minus. So 1 by V minus 1 by 10 equals to 1 by 15. Number you can send that side, minus will be plus. Then take the LCM between 15 and 10. LCM is 30. So 15 to the 30, 2 ones are 2, plus 10 3 the 30, 3 ones are 3. So 1 by V equals to 5 by 30. After cancellation, you are getting 1 by 6. Now do the cross multiplication. V is coming out 6 centimeter. So V becomes positive. You know that when V is positive, image will form behind. In case of lens also, in case of mirror also. So the image is formed at a distance of 6 centimeter behind the mirror. Now we have to give the nature by the mirror. We are talking about mirror. Now nature will be, as the image is formed behind the mirror, so it is virtual and erect. Already I taught you, if image distance V is negative, then image will form in front of the mirror ear lens. If image distance is positive, it will form behind the mirror ear lens. In case of mirror, if the image is forming in front, it will be always real inverted. And if it is forming behind, in case of mirror, it will be always virtual and erect. So with this, I will conclude. Please prepare these numericals very well. Bye.